Good evening, everyone. So, today or tonight, we will see how Bitcoin is performing against US dollar index. So, the last time Bitcoin index was checked, its price is about 23,000, 23,000 as of 30th of January 2023. So right here in this TradingView platform, I'm using a weekly time frame in order for me to see in the longer time frame, as well as looking at the overall trend line of Bitcoin. And then I'm using moving averages 30 um, as my default setup. This is because based on my experience in trading stocks and a few more commodities, if I'm looking at longer term investment, 30 moving averages or maybe 20 is the best indicator for us to see whether the price of the commodity is going for an uptrend or downtrend. So even though my default setup is moving averages 30, so we can see for Bitcoin cases, it is shorter than that. It is maybe shorter than 30. It might be 20, it may be 10. So let's do some adjustment over my moving averages. Let's go for 20 moving averages. I think it is quite okay. So before we go further, we can see that in general, the Bitcoin index is going in an uptrending basis. If we look at the biggest picture since December 16, so this is the trend line. In general, it is still on track. It is still on uptrending basis. So let me write here. So since 2017 until 2023, uptrending, uptrend. So for the longest timeline, 2017 to 2023 is still on uptrending basis. So when we look at a smaller picture, right? There's something happening here, if I'm not mistaken. So it's like this pattern is replicating whatever that is happening back in 2017 until 2018, whereby 2017 until 2018 recorded about 81% decline within more than 1 year, which is about 413 days. So if we take a look at the last peak, which was back in 1st November 2021, so the decline is about the same. It's almost 76% in 434 days. It's almost the same. So right now, if I'm not mistaken, if this prediction is correct, we are in these stages, which was back in 1st April 2019. April 1, 2019. Uptrend start. So if my prediction is correct, the Bitcoin is looking at a almost 138% of uptrend right after this move. So yes, for me, I'm pretty optimistic about Bitcoin currently based on its replicating pattern. Technically, this chart shows that human emotion is cyclical, which means if it already happened before, it can always happen in future because it's the same human behavior, and the chart represent whatever that is being thought, what is being done by human based on their emotion, based on their investment. strategies based on their investment methodologies, and human use the same emotions cyclically. So yes, for me personally, I'm thinking Bitcoin will give a good start of 2023, whereby I'm looking at about 80 to 100% of return within maybe within 80 to 100 days, which is 1/3 of the year. Maybe the price can go up until at least can go up until 41,000 points in 3 months period. So that's all from me. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm here to share whatever that I'm thinking is running in my mind, and it based on human emotion. So thank you very much and have a good day.